left him at a Greyhound station west of Santa Fe. We were 17, but he was sweet and it was true. Still I did what I had to do, 'cause I just knew summer Sunday nights we'd sink into our seats right as they dimmed out all the lights. A technicolor world made out of music and machine. It called me to be on that screen and live inside each scene without a nickel to my name. Hop the bus, here I came. I could be brave or just insane. We'll have to see, 'cause maybe in that sleepy town